Quantum immortality is a speculative and controversial concept in quantum mechanics and the philosophy of consciousness. It suggests that, in a many-worlds interpretation of quantum physics, an individual's subjective experience continues to exist in those branches of the multiverse where they survive, even if they face life-threatening situations in their own reality. This idea stems from the notion that all possible outcomes of quantum events are realized in separate parallel universes. Key points about quantum immortality include: 1. Many-worlds interpretation. Quantum mechanics, particularly the many-worlds interpretation, posits that all possible quantum outcomes are realized in different branches of a vast multiverse. This interpretation suggests that when an event has multiple possible outcomes, each outcome occurs in a separate parallel universe. 2. Survival and subjective experience. In the context of quantum immortality, if an individual faces a life or death situation, the idea is that their consciousness will always shift to a parallel universe where they survive, regardless of how improbable that survival may be in their original universe. This means that from the perspective of the individual, they never experience death. 3. Controversy. Quantum immortality is a highly controversial and speculative concept, as it relies on specific interpretations of quantum physics and involves scenarios that are difficult to test or validate. Many physicists and philosophers consider it more of a philosophical thought experiment than a scientifically grounded theory. 4. Ethical and existential implications. Quantum immortality raises ethical and existential questions. If true, it suggests that individuals can never experience their own deaths, potentially leading to an unusual perspective on mortality and the nature of consciousness. It's important to note that quantum immortality is not widely accepted within the scientific community, and many physicists prefer more conventional interpretations of quantum mechanics. It remains a topic of discussion among philosophers and enthusiasts interested in exploring the boundaries of quantum theory and its potential implications for our understanding of reality and consciousness. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.